A 32-year-old Zimbabwe man fatally axed his 7-year-old son after mistaking him for a wild animal. Mashonaland Central Police spokesperson Inspector Milton Mundum confirmed the arrest of Tukai Sonoya of A51 Compound C ceremonies in Zimbabwe for the murder of his son Fortune. Insp Mundum said on January 7 this year at around 3 p.m. Sonoya returned home from Garoni Bar, where he was drinking with his friends. He proceeded to his bedroom to rest and left his son playing in the neighborhood. At around 5 p.m. his son joined him on the bed and slept, said Insp Mundum. Around 11 p.m. Sonoya woke up claiming to have seen a wild animal sleeping next to him. He struck his son 3 times with an axe after mistaking him for the animal. After realizing what had happened, Sonoya carried the body of his son to the police to file a report. The body was taken to Concession Hospital for post-mortem. The axe was recovered by the police. Insp Mundum warned people against excessive consumption of alcohol. It is worrisome that an innocent soul was lost unnecessarily. The law will take its course. Alcohol is hazardous to health and can lead to mental health problems. We are also appealing to people to refrain from drug use, said Insp Mundum.